Hi, welcome to physics class with Science Lord online class. Okay, let's see what we have for today. Okay, the question says a plane inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal has an efficiency of 50%. Calculate the force parallel to the plane required to push a load of 120 Newton uniformly up the plane. Now, in any question, whenever question is being asked, try to identify where the topic is coming from. Which topic? Now, from this question on the board here, this question is from the machine. And it requires that we should calculate the force required to push, which means the question is asking us to calculate the effort required to push a load of 120 Newton. So for us to solve this, we are going to make use of this formula, apply the formula which says that MA, which is mechanical advantage, equals load over effort. Now, for us to solve this, from the question, load is given, which is 120 Newton, but mechanical advantage is not given. So how are you going to do this? To solve it, we now make use of the formula again, which says efficiency is equals to the mechanical advantage all over velocity ratio times 100 over 1. Again, from the question, mechanical efficiency is given as 50%. Can just write 50 over 100 equals MA all over VR. So this has replaced this. Okay, let's continue. But from the question here, velocity ratio, we are going to solve it separately. Because of this, it's given in what? In 30 degrees, which means there is a formula that says VR equals 1 over sine theta. Yes. Then let's continue. VR equals 1 over sine 30. Let's continue. VR equals 1 over what? Sine 30 is the same thing as 0.5. Okay, finally, VR equals 1 divided by 5 over 10, because 0.5 can be expressed as 5 over 10 in its fraction. Okay, VR equals 1 times 10 over 5. Reason is that when you change this division sign to multiplication sign, you now take the reciprocal of this. Okay, I think now something can divide. 5 will divide itself to give us 1. Into 10 will give us 2, and 2 times 1 is the same thing as 2. Therefore, velocity ratio equals 2. Okay, let's come back to this. Now, without wasting much time here, let us delete this. Since velocity ratio is equals to 2, okay, let's just put 2 here. Okay, now what are we going to do? Let us cross multiply, and when we cross multiply, we have 100 multiplied by MA, which is mechanical advantage, is equals to, now this is what? 2 multiply 50 to give us what? 100. Now what next? Let's now divide both sides by the coefficient of MA, which is mechanical advantage. Therefore, here is over 100, here will be over 100. So here 100 will cancel 100. You're now left with MA equals the same thing. 100 here is 1, here it is what? The same one. Okay, therefore the mechanical advantage is equals to 1. So have you seen it? Now let us go back to our original question. Okay, now coming back to this place, since mechanical advantage is now 1 equals, then the load is given here, which is 120. 120 everything all over. What are we having here? Effort, which the one we are looking for, because the question says we should calculate the force parallel to the plane required to push, which means the effort is one we are looking for. So now what are we going to do? We just say cross multiply, and when we cross multiply, the final answer effort is equals to 120 Newton, and this is your final answer. Please try to like and also comment, share to your friends, and always visit my page for more updates if you are preparing for JAMB or WAEC. Bye bye.